Hello, my name is Cher Gunderson of Intelligible Choice Accent Modification. I'm continuing the learning series. This time the topic is syllable stress. When we have a word that has more than one syllable, then we need to determine which location of the word the voice rises in the volume and the pitch level, and how long that determines also how long the vowel is prolonged. I have some examples here. For example, if we take the three-syllable words here, we have the word anterior, and the syllable is on the first, the stress is on the first syllable. So in other words, we would say anterior. So the voice goes up, and the pitch level of my voice goes up in pitch, like I just said, and the volume of my voice gets a little bit louder. So anterior, annual, application. So all those three words have the syllable stress on the first syllable. We have some additional words with three-syllable words that have the stress on the second syllable. For example, athletic. On the second syllable, my voice goes up in pitch or frequency or highness level and up in volume. Athletic, abnormal, Atlantic. We can move on to another set of words with four syllables. And in these four-syllable words, the stress is on the third syllable. For example, if I say analytic, I have the stress on the third syllable. If I say sacrificial, again, my voice goes up and my pitch level goes up on the third syllable, sacrificial. On transformation, we have the stress on the third syllable once again. Lastly, we have an example with words containing five syllables. And in these examples, the first word is analytical, and the syllable stress is on the third syllable. On the second word, manifestation, the syllable stress is on the fourth syllable. So we have these five-syllable words, and the syllable stress is on different syllables depending on what word it is. And accent modification is a great way to learn where the stress is supposed to be placed in those words.